Sometimes the seasons of life change before we welcome them in. Change swoops in like an unwelcome storm and dictates what our days ahead will hold. Just a week ago, I mentioned that I couldn't wrap my head around Christmas quite yet. But here we are, ushering in this season because, well, it's here. While Christmas itself is a beautiful message of hope, trailing right behind it is a season of extra busyness, to-do lists, and scrambling to get it all done. So while there's the potential to be overwhelmed, we're choosing to slow down and embrace this season. If you're a parent, you're well aware of the pressures and expectations that this time of year holds. Some of the expectations are those that we place upon ourselves. Others come from family members or the idea that we aren't doing enough. With the happenings of the world around us, it's time that we focus our hearts and our minds on the true gift that Christmas is. More than ever before, it's vital that our days are slowed down and spent preparing the hearts of our children for an eternity with our Savior. Just as Jesus paused on his way to the cross and spent time showing love to his disciples, we are going to pause. In that moment, he had every reason to be overwhelmed, filled with anger or frustration, but he paused. We're spending this season around those we love, inviting friends into our home, allowing our kids in the kitchen even when it takes more time and creates extra mess, and doing all of the crafty things that bring us all around the table once again. This season is going to be intentional. Intentionally slowing down. Starting a fire inside and cozying up as a family and reading all of the children's Christmas stories that we can get our hands on. This season is going to be different, and we hope one that creates lasting memories for us all. We encourage you to be intentional alongside us this year. Love on the people around you and celebrate the magnificent gift of a Savior.